Hey everybody, welcome back to Minitech Gaming and Collecting. This is Buddy Mac, and right now I just want to crack a pack or crack a release event deck. I'm working on second set, complete set, and eventually that's going to mean getting all the pre-builds. Okay, that was ridiculously hard. Alright, pop that baby open right there, and let's get into some pack goodness. So, got us 3 beautiful packs right there, and what do we pull for our deck? Cardiff Giant, baby. Look at that. Look at that shiny goodness. So sparkly. So clean. I'm going to put them right there. And of course we got a irrelevant rule book right now because it's been updated since. Alright, so let's get the crack in here. And funny enough, the card that I'm really looking for here is GeeGee Bird. I really need me a GeeGee Bird. And we got a sewer alligator. Beautiful card. I'll take that all day long. Not what I'm chasing, but hey. And let's see. I really think the GeeGee Bird is the only one that I'm chasing at the moment. I got everything else. Got the Mothmans, got the Cardiff, or the Lake Worth Monster, and yet another black cat. Alright, and last pack magic. Is it here? Magic is real. Magic is everywhere. Is it in this pack? Let's find out.
Metazoo.
Reverse Hollow Jersey Devil. I'll take them all day long. Not what we're looking for, but you know, that was a good little bit of fun. And as always, thanks for spending a couple of minutes enjoying some Metazoo with me. And until next time, guys, peace out.